consider that's an attack when you mentioned kahit marami na balik kaya unang-una pagputok ng warning sign yung pasaang, hindi yung sabi ng
Okay. Kung tututukan kita ng baril, papasukin ko bahay mo na may baril ako. Nag-warning shot ka, pinutukan kita pabalik. Is it not an attack? Sorry ha, but I don't think there's any question. The Senate is under attack, was under attack. All of you, your lives were in danger last night. So, I know it's your job to ask a question, but you will tell me, pagka may nagpaputok na warning, hindi under attack yun? My God. We're a democracy. This is the Senate of the Philippines. Please naman. Di ba? Yeah. What do you think happens when there's no democracy? Who's the first casualty? The media. Wala ng media kapag wala.